Number 10.
Create ultimate workout progression with your in-home exercise program using the Aero rowing machine designed by EFITMENT. Maintain optimal stability when you push through each stroke using the large foot pedals with securing straps. Sit comfortably atop the cushioned performance seat that moves smoothly along the strong 51-inch steel slide rail capable of supporting users up to 245 pounds. Produce strong strokes while reducing grip fatigue when you grasp the cushioned non-slipped handlebars. Pull against the fan to create air resistance as the flywheel spins faster to move more air with each stroke. The greater the pull, the more drag and resistance created. The harder you work, the harder it works for you. Visualize your workout in an instant with the onboard digital monitor. Track your time, stroke count, calories burned, and repetition per minute. Engage with the smooth, low-maintenance belt drive mechanism to activate the progressive fan resistance. Move the rower from room to room with its built-in transportation wheels. Save space before and after use by folding the slide rail upright. Harness the power of the wind to move you towards your health and fitness goals with the Aero rowing machine designed by EFITMENT.
Number 9. Number 8.
The Avari conversion to rower recumbent bike has rowing and cycling. The Avari conversion to rower recumbent bike converts from a rower to a recumbent bike. The pull of a pin switches from one mode to the next. The padded seat glides smoothly on a ball-bearing roller system and oversized aluminum seat rail. The magnetic resistance gives you a quiet, smooth workout at any resistance level. The fitness monitor keeps you motivated and on track to reach your fitness goals, showing speed, distance, time, RPM, pulse, and calories burned. Increase or decrease the workout intensity without interrupting your workout. A heavy-duty nylon rowing strap and foam grips keep hands stable and comfortable while rowing. For recumbent biking, the seat adjusts to fit different leg lengths. To switch from cycling to rowing or from rowing to cycling, simply pull the pin and adjust the seat. Oversized foot pedals and adjustable foot straps hold your feet securely. Built-in hand pulse sensors measure heartbeats per minute, with a steel frame for solid, stable workouts, and easy folding, moving, and storage. Because both are impact-free activities, stationary cycling and rowing can be lifelong forms of exercise. The Avari conversion to rower recumbent bike will be your way to fitness.
Number 7.
Hi, I'm Jerry Rodriguez. I want to introduce you to the 3000D Bluetooth magnetic air rower from Fitness Reality. So as a 15-year fitness professional, I've come to learn that the rower is not just a fantastic tool for cardio, but at the same time, it's going to help you to sculpt your upper body, tone up your core while you're dripping sweat. So, whatever your reason for being here, maybe you're prepping for a race, it's possible you want to keep your stress in check, or you're interested in losing pounds. No matter the decision, it's important. That's why you need the best. So let's see what the machine's all about. So, talking about form over function. The foot pedals are one of my favorite aspects about the rower. Adjustable foot holdings allow me, whether you're long-footed, wide-foot, I'm kind of a combination of the two, so I love the way this allows me to go smaller, go bigger whenever I need to. Not only do the footholds allow me to eliminate joint pain and muscle pain, it's gonna help me to get the work into the larger muscles, and if you feel comfortable and safe, you're more likely to stick with it and keep coming back, thus, you're gonna achieve your goals. This wider handle is gonna allow me to get in here because I'm a bit of a broad-shouldered guy. If you're larger, whatever distance, this is gonna work well for you. And then we get moving. I power through the legs, inhale as I come in, exhale through my pull, and I'm gonna pull that long handle right to the top of my belly button. The seat underneath me feels sturdy. As I go, it comes with me, and it's allowing me to still feel comfortable as I feel safe, and I don't have to think about anything else except attacking my workout. And with that, I gotta talk about one of my favorite features as well. The fact that if I'm at a low or a steady state, it's my body. I manually provide the resistance for the rower. On the flip side, if I crank up the intensity level, then the resistance automatically cranks up as well with this incredible magnetic feature that offers that next level of challenge. But keep in mind, getting my great workout in is only half the equation towards feeling successful in achieving my goals. From there, we gotta be able to understand the data. No more guessing. So with that being said, you gotta know the distance that you've covered. You gotta understand how hard you pull and the resistance level that you get at. And when you take these three things and you put them together, you can then understand calories burned, further distance gone, other analytics that are gonna help you to be successful on My Cloud Fitness app. And with this app, you can save your workouts and forget all the guessing and assuming. You can actually know how you're doing so you can be on track to achieving your goals. Which reminds me, remember the last time you were moving and maybe your phone slipped out, you kicked it on accident? Well, not with this trusty phone holder, which allows me to access the app as I'm moving so that I can make sure that I'm on my way to be successful. So what are you waiting for?
Number 6.
Experience all the health benefits of rowing with the Fitness Reality 4000 MR magnetic rower rowing machine with 15 workout programs. Features a chain-driven dual transmission mechanism that provides the strength needed for intense workouts. The rower can accommodate users ranging from 5 feet to 6 feet 5 inches tall and up to 300 pounds. Personalize your rowing workout with 10 preset workout programs, 5 customizable programs, and 3 workout goal settings that include time, distance, and calories burned. 14-level dual transmission magnetic tension resistance lets you choose between an easier or more challenging workout. A large adjustable 5-inch backlit LCD display shows real-time workout information at the perfect viewing angle, including distance, time, count, calories burned, RPM, watts, and tension levels. The raised and contoured seat keeps you comfortable throughout your entire workout, while rubber-coated hand grips with grip balls on the rowing handles keep your hands in place for each stroke. Take advantage of a full range of rowing motion with dual independent rowing handles. Large anti-slip foot pedals with adjustable strap rings, adjustable heel holders, and 4 adjustable floor stabilizers prevent rocking to ensure a safe and secure row. Achieve a full-body, low-impact workout that targets forearms, biceps, triceps, shoulders, legs, thighs, and more. Ball-bearing seat rollers and an extended 38-inch slide rail with 41-inch inseam provide intense exercise. When not needed, the rower can easily be folded, moved, or stored with the built-in transportation wheels. Experience the full-body rowing workout with the Fitness Reality 4000 MR magnetic rower rowing machine with 15 workout programs.
Number 5.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Impacts. This is the Marcy rower. In this day and age, everybody wants to jump on a rower. Why? Because it's designed perfectly for an anaerobic workout and an aerobic workout, which means that it's just like doing muscle building cardio. It's a high intense interval type training and it's great. So let's jump on this thing, you can see what I'm talking about. To get ready to row, we just need to place our feet in the foot panel, Velcro it in, adjust the tension control where we need it. Up here we have the computer panel. This is going to control our time, calories burned, and row count, and much more. Grab the soft padded handle, and let's begin to row. Now that we're done with our rowing workout, let's put this thing away, huh? Just simply hold the pin, push it up, pick up the end, and wheel her out.
Number 4.
It is rare to find an activity that works as many muscle groups through as wide a range of motion as rowing. The XTERRA ERG200 rower delivers an impact-free, effective, full-body cardiovascular workout that will increase your fitness level and tone your physique. The XTERRA ERG200 combines the smooth motion of dual aluminum seat slide rails with the quiet and maintenance-free operation of magnetic resistance to give you the realistic feel of rowing on water. The angled aluminum rails combined with 8 levels of resistance will provide a challenging workout for users of all fitness levels. To adjust your resistance, simply turn the tension knob to the desired setting and start rowing. You will be able to measure your training progress with a large LCD monitor by tracking your time, stroke count, and calories burned. And to ensure a great viewing angle throughout the workout, you can adjust the monitor angle to wherever works best for you. The large contoured seat pad and oversized Velcro adjustable straps make the XTERRA ERG200 perfect for users of all sizes. The non-slip handle is designed to cut down on fatigue and offers a comfortable workout experience with padded grips. With its low seat height, the XTERRA ERG200 keeps a low profile, and it can quickly and easily be folded and rolled away for convenient storage. To give you peace of mind, the XTERRA ERG200 is covered by a full 1-year warranty on the frame and parts. Start enjoying the benefits of an effective cardiovascular, non-impact workout today with your very own XTERRA ERG200 rower.
Number 3.
Get stronger faster with the Sunny Health and Fitness elastic cord rowing machine. Strap in and pull against the elastic tension for a rowing experience like no other. An ergonomic seat and pivoting foot plates keep you comfortable and stable as you engage your legs while gliding along the 39-inch slide rail. Use the easy-to-read digital monitor to keep track of all your progress. Diversify your experience with different workouts by taking advantage of the elastic cord system. Designed around stability, this rowing machine has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. This rower's foldable design allows for simple storage practically anywhere. Get stronger faster with the Sunny Health and Fitness elastic cord rowing machine.
Number 2.
Fitness Reality. Real people, real results. Enjoy the low-impact, full-body benefits of rowing and other exercises from the comfort of your own home with the Fitness Reality 1000 Plus Bluetooth magnetic rower with extended optional full-body exercises and free app. Equipped with Bluetooth Smart Cloud Fitness, the Fitness Reality 1000 Plus rower comes with free MyCloud Fitness app available on iOS and Android for tracking your workout results. Via the app, you can choose between 3 workout goal settings, including time, distance, and calories burned. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts of all levels, users can select from 14 levels of dual transmission magnetic tension resistance to dial in the perfect level of challenge. To maximize user comfort throughout long exercise sessions, the rower features a 21.5-inch extra-wide foam cushioned handlebar and a large ergonomically contoured seat that travels 39 inches. It also comes equipped with adjustable anti-slip foot pedals that pivot to allow for a larger range of motion. The Fitness Reality 1000 Plus rower can accommodate up to 250 pounds of user weight and 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 6 inches of user height. It's especially designed to provide additional exercises for full-body, low-impact workouts. With the front stabilizer foot pads, you can safely do curls, upright rows, bent over rows, front raises, triceps extensions, standing shoulder presses, and more. Finally, an easy-to-read 3.5-inch LCD screen displays distance covered, time elapsed, total count, calories burned, strokes per minute, and more. And best of all, because the Fitness Reality 1000 Plus magnetic rower was designed for at-home use, it features ball-bearing rollers and an ultra-quiet nylon rowing belt. These features will deliver a smooth, nearly noiseless rowing experience that enables users to watch TV or listen to music while they exercise. When not immediately needed, the rower folds easily to save space and can be easily moved thanks to built-in transport wheels. So let's start the full-body, low-impact workout with the Fitness Reality 1000 Plus Bluetooth magnetic rower with extended optional full-body exercises and free app.
Number 1.